Welcome to Simple Trick video series. In this video, I'm going to share a trick to find the square of numbers that end with 5. For reference purpose, I'm going to call this the trick number 1. Please find links in the description below for more simple matric videos. There is just one simple prerequisite in order to master this trick. I'm sure most of us are already aware of this, but I'm going to mention it to get it off the way. The prerequisite is to know that the square of 5 is 25. Let's start from the most rudimentary number that ends with 5, which is 5 itself. As we all already know, the square of 05 is 025. But observe how I'm going to write 025 in a different way. I'm going to separate 0 and 25 and write 0 as 0 multiplied by 0 plus 1, which is essentially 0, and 25 as 25. Let's try and apply the same rule to 15 squared, which is 225. I'm going to separate 2 and 25 and write 2 as 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 and 25 as 25. Let's try the same with 25 squared, which is 625. I'm going to write 6 as 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 and 25 as 25. Let's do it with one more number before setting up the general rule of thumb. 35 squared is 1225. I'm going to separate this number and write it as 12 and 25. Then I'm going to write 12 as 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 and 25 as 25. By now, you might have already guessed that the general rule of thumb is that the square of any number y5 is y multiplied by y plus 1 and 25. Using this general rule of thumb, let's try to find square of comparatively tough numbers. 95 squared is 9 multiplied by 9 plus 1 and 25. Using general rule of thumb, it can ultimately be written as 9025. Therefore, the square of 95 is 9025. 125 squared is 12 multiplied by 12 plus 1 and 25. Using general rule of thumb, it can ultimately be written as 15,625. Therefore, the square of 125 is 15,625. 405 squared is 40 multiplied by 40 plus 1 and 25. Using general rule of thumb, it can ultimately be written as 164,025. Therefore, the square of 405 is 164,025. 705 squared is 70 multiplied by 70 plus 1 and 25. Using general rule of thumb, it can ultimately be written as 497,025. Therefore, the square of 705 is 497,025. Just one more example before I finish this video. Let's try 1005. 1005 squared is 100 multiplied by 100 plus 1 and 25. Using general rule of thumb, it can ultimately be written as 1,010,025. Therefore, the square of 1005 is 1,010,025. Remember the general rule of thumb. Square of any number y5 is y multiplied by y plus 1 and 25. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Also, please check out more such videos for which the links are in the description below. Have a good day.